In Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki and Sharon Lechter delve into the stark contrast between their two fathers, one who is financially educated and successful, and one who appears to be trapped in the proverbial rat race. Through their personal experiences, the authors shed light on key lessons about money and financial intelligence that have the potential to alter one's mindset and change their financial trajectory. The book begins by introducing the two fathers and their respective beliefs about money. Kiyosaki's real father, referred to as Poor Dad, is highly educated and holds an important position in the government but still struggles financially. Conversely, Rich Dad, his best friend's father, has never completed high school but manages to build a vast fortune. The authors emphasize how the two fathers have entirely different mindsets when it comes to money. Poor Dad believes in obtaining a secure job, living within one's means, and relying on a steady paycheck. Rich Dad, on the other hand, encourages financial education, entrepreneurship, and using assets to generate income. Throughout the book, Kiyosaki presents various anecdotes and lessons from his Rich Dad that challenge conventional wisdom and broaden the reader's perspective on wealth creation. Key ideas include the importance of financial literacy, understanding the difference between assets and liabilities, and recognizing that on a deeper level, money is not the solution to all problems. One of the fundamental lessons highlighted in Rich Dad, Poor Dad is the concept of acquiring assets rather than liabilities. Kiyosaki stresses that most people work hard to earn money and then use it to purchase liabilities that afford them no financial return. By instead focusing on purchasing assets, such as real estate or stocks, individuals can build a portfolio that generates passive income over time. In addition to acquiring assets, the authors emphasize the importance of financial education. They argue that traditional education does not adequately prepare individuals for the realities of the financial world. By seeking out knowledge about money management, investing, and entrepreneurship, one can gain the skills necessary to make informed financial decisions and build wealth. The book also challenges the widely accepted notion that a high income guarantees financial freedom. Kiyosaki explains how many high-income earners are trapped in a cycle of excessive spending and debt, which prevents them from accumulating wealth. He suggests that true financial freedom comes from generating sufficient cash flow through assets to cover expenses, rather than relying solely on a paycheck. Furthermore, Rich Dad, Poor Dad emphasizes the power of mindset and belief systems in shaping one's financial future. The authors argue that by adopting a growth mindset and challenging the limiting beliefs surrounding money, individuals can open themselves up to new opportunities and possibilities. To support the principles discussed throughout the book, Kiyosaki and Lechter provide practical advice and action steps for readers to implement in their own lives. They offer guidance on topics such as creating a financial plan, starting a business, investing in real estate, and developing passive income streams. Overall, Rich Dad, Poor Dad serves as a wake-up call to the common misconceptions and societal conditioning surrounding money and financial success. The book challenges readers to reconsider their beliefs about money, education, and work, ultimately empowering them to take control of their financial future. By adopting the mindset and principles outlined in the book, individuals can make transformative changes in their lives and work towards achieving financial independence and abundance.